I am Gavin Webb. I work here at Riverside Hospital and I am a maintenance tech. An average day to us, some days it'll be simple stuff like reprogramming a TV or helping someone change a light, or other days it'll be bigger tasks like problems with the tube system, or just you never really know what might get thrown at you. The impact we have, I would say, really for me personally, it's just great to know that we're helping someone complete, again, it might be something small, it might be something big, but it just helps their day go a little bit smoother. I enjoy working at Riverside for a lot of reasons. One being it's really close to home. Others, it's a really great, reputable place. There's a lot of good people here. I have some family even working here, so even beyond that, just knowing that all great people here and they're helpful. A lot of my team, especially if I come upon something I'm not sure about, I always have someone to lean on and ask something about, so it's great to say I work for a good place in the community.